what I want to show you is it's very hard a lot of times to pull out or to push in and to get this to line up correctly. We don't want to stress this little flexible piece too far. I've already got my screw up here started. We're actually right here. We've walked this up all the way with what I'm about to show you, and it's super strong and it's completely flat with the next one in line. So to get that tension and everything to be a little bit easier for you, send you a screw in there. You can see how well that moves still. Take you a hammer and pull that guy exactly where you need him. Very little tension. Once I get it picture perfect there, then I'm going to hold that. Just like that. Suck that flat completely straight. Alright, so we're finished with that. We already have our drywall screws in. You can see how tight the drywall is. Everything is completely solid now, including the drywall. Now we're going to be able to put that plate right in, and we're going to be able to build this little kick wall here for the end of our tub. And, you know, just like always, we'll see you back real soon with the next one.